Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an object point to another object in 2D. So as you can see, we have a square here and an arrow, but it's not really doing anything. So in order to fix that, make a new script and call it point. Then we'll open that up. Okay, now we can just delete all this stuff we don't need. We only need the update method. So now we're gonna SerializeField a GameObject. This will be our square, and then we're also going to need a float, which will be the offset, and we'll get to that later. So right now we're going to need to make a xDiff. So now this is the difference in the x position between the square and the pointers. So just get the x position of each of them, subtract them from each other. Also, I think the thing you're pointing to needs to be first. Okay, just copy and paste this line with the y. Okay, now we're gonna need to get the. Now we're gonna need to do some trigonometry. So the amount of radians is gonna be equal to the math f a tan 2, and then you're just gonna put in your yDiff and xDiff. Make sure the yDiff is first. Now you need to get this in degrees, so I should make a variable called degrees. It's really easy. You just multiply it by the math f dot rad2 degree. Okay, now you actually need to change the rotation. So transform.rotation equals Quaternion. I don't know what that word is. So okay, so just set everything to 0 except for the z. This is the only thing you're going to need to change, and it's going to be the degrees plus the offset from earlier. Make sure you add a comma. Okay, now we're going to save this and go back into Unity. Okay, so now you're going to want to add this point script to the arrow and put the square in there and then just play it. So right now you can see it's following it, but the pointer isn't. So you're just going to want to change the offset so that it gets to pointing at it. Okay, that's about good. So now whenever you exit play mode, this will just go back to 0, so you're going to need to copy it, go out, and then paste it back in, and it should work fine. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.